Have you ever been home alone and heard a strange noise? It is a common experience that can be quite unsettling. The sound of the door creaking, footsteps, or even a whisper can send shivers down your spine. But before you panic, consider the source of the sound. It could be something as simple as the wind rattling a window or a loose pipe in the wall. Remember, your mind can play tricks on you when you're alone, so take a deep breath and try to stay calm. And if you're really scared, call a friend or family member to come over and keep you company. Don't forget to like and subscribe.